A Russian tech reporter got his hands on the Galaxy Note 9. In this video, we get into the details of his review. What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the latest cool tech news, make sure to subscribe and trigger the notification bell so you don't miss my future uploads. So Eldar Murtazin, who is a popular Russian tech reporter with a good track record, got his hands on the crown of 2018. Here are his first impressions. The phone looks almost identical to the Note 8, so this confirms the rumors. No major design change this time. The difference will be similar to the difference between the S8 and the S9. Only slimmer top and bottom bezels. No in-display fingerprint scanner. We already talked about that in a previous video, when we said Samsung aims at using ultrasonic technology with in-display fingerprint scanners, because it's more accurate. But they are still working on lowering the production cost. Repositioned fingerprint scanner. So now it will be in a much more comfortable place. So say goodbye to smudge camera lenses. Horizontal dual cameras, just like the Note 8. And unlike the vertical dual cameras on the S9 Plus. Upgraded photography, primarily software based. So the overall performance of the camera has been improved. But Murtazin didn't mention the front cameras, so I hope they worked on that as well, because it really needs improvement. Brighter display. He says the brightness has increased from the Note 8. A huge 4000 mAh battery that lasts up to 2 days. And in his testing, the battery gave him 25 hours of video playback at maximum brightness? Well, I can't wait to see that in a battery drain test. Weight gain. Due to the larger battery, the Note 9 will be heavier than the Note 8. The Note 9's base model will have 6 GB of RAM, but there will be a version with 8 GB of RAM. But we don't know yet where it will launch. And about storage, there are 128 GB, 256 GB and even 512 GB models. But again, we still don't know where. An all-new S Pen, with Bluetooth support, more accuracy, and more software support. The performance of the phone, according to Murtazin, is excellent. The user interface Samsung experience now has fluid new animations. Samsung AR emoji will also be upgraded, but that won't be ready at launch. The phone will get revealed on the 9th of August, and rumors say the price will be similar to the price of the Note 8 when it got launched. So about 1000 euros in Europe or $950 in the US. So with that being said, let me know if these changes are enough for you to upgrade from the Note 8 to the Note 9. In my opinion, the Note 8 was almost an excellent phone. It only needed that boost in battery life. And with all these improvements, the Note 9 will definitely be the most complete phone of 2018. And maybe of all time, because it gives you everything you expect from a phone. Well, until you start to expect more. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.